Accurpress 2001 250-ton 12-foot machine, ETS3000, 3-axis, X, Y, and R axis programmable. We'll create a new job. Drawing mode, you need to choose your punch. We'll choose GN3. No ram extension. L10 lower and lower die holder. No other tool set. Unique job name 6789. Material type, enter shows list. Mild steel, 10 gauge, blank sizes. Next step is drawing. Press enter. And enter. So that's the part of the trough that we want to form. So we go to next for sizing. Say we have a 1 inch by 2 inch, 90 degrees, 4 inch, and we'll go 160 degrees and add 4.5 inches. Okay, we go to the next step. No side profile. Now we come to the sequence page and we can auto. It found a usable sequence, bend 1, bend 2, and bend 3. So next step, ready to run. Step 1 shown. Start. Patching to put itself into position. And we'll cycle the machine. The back and get some back gauge movements with the graphically, you can